Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the bed chemically and mechanically ready. This matters because adhesion fails on contaminants. Once you degrease and sand to 80-120 grit, make sure to blow out dust and wipe with solvent. Next, mask adjacent areas tightly. 1/2-inch seams and fixtures need protection. Now mix the bed liner resin and hardener exactly to the manufacturer's ratio, then strain through a 100 mesh filter to avoid clogs. This step controls cure and sprayability. You now focus on gun setup and motion because technique determines texture and coverage. First, test spray on cardboard to dial pressure and tip size, then set a 6-12 target distance. This gives consistent droplets. Once done, apply in overlapping passes, about 50% overlap, with 10-15 ml wet film per pass, keeping the gun perpendicular and moving at a steady pace. Make multiple thin coats, allowing a 10-20 minute flash. This prevents sagging and ensures uniform build. You finish by controlling cure and addressing any flaws. Curing governs final hardness and adhesion. Make sure ambient temperature is between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow 24-72 hours for full cure and keep moisture away during cross-linking. After tack stage, remove masking and trim drips, then inspect texture and edges. If you find orange peel or runs, sand the affected area smooth, correct spray pressure or tip size, and recoat with thinner passes. This restores uniform texture without redoing the whole job.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.